Okay, so good morning sa inyong tanan or good afternoon kung unsa man nga oras nga ma-view nini nga video. So, in this tutorial, I will show you on how to install Windows 7 and Windows Server 2008 simultaneously. So, first thing to do, you have to create your bootable flash drive, no? So, you know already how to create bootable flash drive. Then, after nimo siya ma-plug in sa PC, no? So, pwede sa likod, pwede sa front, no? So, go to boot. Okay, so na yung mga option, main, advanced, chipset, boot, security, preference, and save and exit. Okay, punta tayo sa boot, then hanapin natin si hard drive device priorities, press enter. Then, yung boot option number 1, it should be, nakalagay dyan is SATA. So, yun yung hard disk natin. So, enter natin yan. Select natin yung SanDisk. Enter. Then, escape. Then, after that, go to save and exit. Hanapin natin yung boot override. Then, SanDisk. Press enter. Then, pag ma-enter mo na, press any key sa keyboard. Press any key. So, papunta ka dyan. So, nakalagay Windows Setup EMS Enable. So, just hit enter on the keyboard. Okay, so loading. So, nag-loading na sa Windows 7. Lipat tayo sa server. Okay? So, sa server natin, the same procedure, no? So, kailangan mag-create ng bootable flash drive before we can install the actual operating system. Okay? So, the same, go to boot, then select hard drive BBS priorities, no? So, it depends, no? So, sa imong good, na mo kay klase-klaseng BIOS design. So, lahi na sa design. Basta ang atong goal dere is kailangan ma-first boot na to ang flash drive para pag basa sa system, direct siya dito. Then, hanapin yung name ng flash drive mo. So, huwag i-select yung UEFI. So, you have to choose SanDisk Crucial Breed 1.26. Ayan, enter. Then, press any key. Sa keyboard, any key, no? Then, enter. Okay, so set up na si server. Lipat tayo sa Windows 7. So, yung Windows 7 natin is andito na, no? So, you have to follow on screen instruction. So, may mga instruction dyan na kailangan i-follow. So, basa-basa lang din tayo. Okay, tulad nito. So, click tayo ng next. Then, install now. So, in this option, you're going to select the operating system you want to install. So, for the sake of this demonstration, we are going to select Windows 7 Ultimate Activated, no? Yung X86 because this is 32-bit. Then, click tayo ng next. Then, I accept the terms. Then, click tayo ng next. Then, custom advanced. Okay, so as you can see, there are two partition 1 and partition 2. So, we are going to delete this one. Once you delete this partition, yung dalawa, automatically yung mga files na nasa loob is mabubura. So, kailangan tayo mag-backup before we proceed with this deletion of partition. But this time, wala namang files itong PC because this is for demonstration purposes. Delete natin lahat. Select natin partition, drive option, then merong delete. Okay. Then partition again, delete. Okay, so nabura na lahat, no? So this is the disk total capacity, no? So 500 gig, hindi man na siya fix nga 500, no? So it is 465.8 gig. Okay, so we are going to create two equal partition. So, Pag-click natin ng new, lalabas to 476933. Divide natin sa calculator, no? So, kayo na bahala mag-divide because equal. So, lagay ko lang dito 500. Lagay ko lang dito is 250. No? So, hindi ko na i-divide maayos. Basta kailangan ma-divide kasi wala akong calculator. Okay, so ito lalabas. Sa baba, i-click tayo ng new, apply. Ayan. So, meron dalawang partition. Format natin yan. Format lang, dalawa. Then, ito din, format. Okay. Then, itong partition 1, format din natin. Yan. Then, dito sa partition 2, dito tayo mag-next. Kasi ito yung drive C. Next. Okay, lipat tayo sa Windows Server. Ayun. So, next tayo. Install. Then, lalabas to. You're going to prompt na kailangan mag-activate. No? So, click lang tayo ng next. Tapos, no. Kasi hindi man natin kailangan i-activate ito. Because this is a trial version. Pag license yung install mo sa Windows, kailangan ka mag-activate. No? So, this is 25 letters key to para siya ma-activate mo. Kung license, no? Pero di man to license, no? Crack lang man ang gamit natin. Demonstrate lang natin, no? Kailangan tayo mag-no. Okay, so loading nga siya until darating tayo dito. This is the license agreement, no? So, I accept, no? Kailangan i-accept natin para makaproceed tayo. Then, custom. Okay, so the same procedure kanina sa Windows 7, no? So, delete lang natin to. Yun. Assuming na na-create na natin yan. Basta yun yung procedure. Delete lang natin para sure, no? Delete natin lahat. Delete para maka-create tayo ng bago. Okay, delete. Excuse me. Then, this is unallocated space, new. So, i-divide mo to. Gamit ka ng calculator or yung laptop. So, divide. Lagay natin 300. Ayan. Assuming lang yan siya. Ayan yung lalabas sa divide. Pag-divide. Ayun, meron na tayong dalawang partition. Format natin to dalawa. Format lang. Ayan. Tapos, isa. Format din. Tapos, yung partition 1, dyan tayo mag-next kasi yan yung drive C. Yan, next. Okay, kailangan nakaselect yung partition 1, next tayo. Okay, so after ng procedure na yun, maglo-loading siya, no? Installing Windows. So, this is the view of Windows 7. Okay, maglo-loading siya up to 100%. Then, si server, the same, maglo-loading din siya. Okay, so antayin lang natin matapos. Hanggang sa magiging 100% yung expanding Windows files. No? So, yung isa, kabila, yung Windows Server natin is medyo matagal siyang install compare sa Windows 7 Ultimate. Okay, so after that, install na yung features, yung updates, tapos completing installation. Tapos mag-prompt siya ng restart. So, restart lang natin yan. Alright, so patapos na yung Windows 7 natin completing installation, but yung Windows Server natin is 70% pa lang. Expanding files pa lang si Windows Server. So, ganyan kabilis yung Windows 7 in terms of installation compared to Windows Server. Kasi yung Windows Server kasi medyo mabigat siya na operating system compare sa ordinary operating system. Okay, so type your username. So, lagay lang natin dito, client. Because this is a client PC, mamaya. Tapos, type a password recommended. Huwag lang natin ang type ng password. Dito, i-select natin yung ask me later. Yung time, okay. Date naman, next time. Okay, welcome na tayo. So, preparing your desktop. Yung Windows 7 natin is almost done. Papasok na siya sa desktop, but yung Windows Server natin is andyan pa sa 95% pa sa expanding files. Okay, so tapos na yung Windows 7 natin installation. So this is Windows 7 Ultimate. Yung Windows 7, Windows Server natin is nag-restart na siya. So please wait while Windows sets up your computer. So antayin lang natin na ma-set niya lahat. Okay, so you have to provide your password. Password 1 2 3, then confirm your password. Password 1 2 3. It depends, no? So depende sa inyo sa password na gamiton. Basta kay make it sure lang na dili malimtan. Your password has been changed. Okay. So papasok na tayo sa desktop sa ating Windows Server. Ayan, tapos na. So this is the fresh installation of Windows Server 2008. Okay, lalabasan siya, close lang. Okay, so that ends our software installation of both Windows Server and Windows 7. Okay, so kung makita ninyo, mas mabilis, no? Install yung 7 compare sa server. Okay, so next of this demonstration is how to install device driver. Thank you for watching.